So, once again, I am sure Nicole Pipalasa, and for today, we will now do the second part for the case study, which is here. So, let's get started. Open your Windows 2008 and then log in as the administrator. Go to Administrative Tools and then click on the Active Directory Users and Computers. And then just click on the dvd.com. As you can see, I've already entered some users here. I've made it in a separate video for just function. So first, just click the dvd.com, right click and then new, and then click on the organizational unit. We'll type in academic departments. Just click OK. And you can, as you can see, it is here under the user. Right click it again, then new organizational unit, and then we'll type in the basic art and sciences. Then click OK and then just continue doing so. After doing that, we'll now log in some users to their respective sections. So after logging in the users to their respective sections, now we'll create the computer for each section. So click here and then right click new, then click on computer. So we'll just name it as its section, so like electrical. Then click OK. So as you can see, and then right click the users, then go to properties, go to account, and then click on computer restrictions, log on to type in electrical. So just do the same thing again with the other sections. After that, we'll now be doing this onward. We'll have all users should change their passwords every 30 days. So for that, click Start, Administrative Tools, and then click on the Group Policy Management. Just click Continue. Click on the forest, and then click on the academic department. Type in pass and then just click OK. Here, click this copy. Click on edit. Then Windows settings, security settings, and then to password policy. And then click on the maximum password page. Type in 30 days. So just click apply, then click on OK. Okay. Then do the same thing with the administrative department. So the next thing we'll do is the academic users can log in. Now we'll be doing the last part for the second part of the case study. This the academic users can log on from 7:30 a.m. to 8:45 a.m. while the administrative staff users can log on from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So that just have to one by one, and so just highlight the user's right to the properties account and then to click on the background bars. So this is the academic department for that 7:30 to 8:45 p.m. So 7:30 to 8:45 a.m.
Tapos sila yung gago. Tapos na sila. Hindi na mo ba? Others doon.
So it doesn't really the exact 7:30 to 8:45 is the process. So just click on OK, click on apply, and then OK. So just do the same thing with the other. will be doing for the administrative staff on where they can log on from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Pero ano lang naman.
And with that, we finally finished the second part for the case study. Once again, I am Sean.